Today, I would like to introduce you to a Chinese civilian food.
This is sticky rice Asian kitchen.
It's called preserved egg congees. It's very popular among the regular town. We can eat them at night or we can eat them in the morning. It's something easy to make, something easy to eat. Let's get started. The main ingredient is the preserved dark egg. This is how the package looks like. It has many brands. Some leftover congee from last night. Then we have this minced pork. I use it about 100 grams. But if you have less or more, it's okay. Green onion, ginger, and then the corianders. Clean and washed all ingredients before you use. Now we're going to prepare. Let's start with the preserved egg. We don't need to boil. We can just peel the egg right away. Just like that. But cut egg after herbs. Cutting these onions. Cut them small, okay? And then cut some coriander. We don't need to use all. For the ginger, we can just peel the skin first. Cut in thin slices. Cut across the ginger. Then the fibers can be cut off. So when we eat, we don't have that hairy fiber. Cut ginger in 5 strips. Small as you could. Otherwise, when you eat, when you chew, you'll feel very uncomfortable. And for the meat, we don't need to marinate. Just plain like that. Now we're gonna cut our preserved eggs. Cut as regular, but it might stick on your knife. Cut them into small pieces. Like that. And this is enough for us with this portion. All of our ingredient is cut and prepared and ready to cook. Let's start to cook. Turn on the stove. And this congee looks too thick, so we have to add some hot water, please. Wait till it's boiling, and then we will add our minced pork. It's boiling now. Let's add our meat into it. I like to put some congees on it, and then loose up the meat, and then pour it in. Spreading out this minced pork, and then wait till it's boiling. Wait till it's cooked. So we have to give them a minute to let it cook. I think our meat is cooked. Now it's time to add our preserved egg into it. Then add into our ginger strips. And then just add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Turn off the heat and add onion and coriander. A little bit of pepper. Very simple and easy. Let's try it. Hot. It's really light, healthy. Mostly it's for snacks. So we are done. We can just serve and then eat. You can also add pork liver into it to make it deluxe. You're welcome to subscribe, like, comments, and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 再见。